Wow, that's a big package. Is that Shaik Emre's? You're still busy drinking your milk. Do you want to unwrap it? Emre, go and sit. Scissors. So this is what's gonna happen. Let's see what I have over here. Scissors. Hold up quick. Okay, move away. This is very dangerous. It's sharp. Move away. Okay, what's inside? What's that, Shaik Emre? What is that? Take it out. Take it out. Shaik Emre, take. Wow. What is this? Wow, what is that? Wow! What is this? Shaik Emre, what is this? Take it out, take it out. Take out. Okay, you pull. Carry it. Yes, take. Shaik Emre, take. Yes, clever. Shaik Emre, how do you open the box? See? Look over here. Okay. And you pull. Wow. Oh, yellow. Blue. Okay, arrange here. Yellow, blue. What color is that? Purple. Oh, this is green. And last one is red. Oh, there's another one. White. Hey, there's some more inside. Shaik Emre, there's some more inside. Shaik Emre, there's some more inside. Hey. So we have the back over here. You know, the back is so pretty. Such a pretty bag. It's really pink. And so if you want to bring it anywhere or outdoor, you can just put it inside. Okay, so it looks like this, and it's very convenient to bring anywhere. So you can actually bring this for outdoor or indoor play. So I am going to open this with my boy. So let's see how big it is. Help me! Help me here! Hold this! Jerry, hold. Yes, hold this. Hold this part. Okay. Right. Oh wow! You can see there. There's the label. And dia macam gini. The label must be inside. Right? Excited. Okay, soon we'll do some activities with Abi. Okay, we wait for Abi to come home. Shaik Emre, hi. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to do crop again. Yay! Okay, so today's crop is a bit special because we're going to do a fingerprinting family tree. So this is what I've done. Okay, so I just drew this, and what I need to do is I need Shaik Emre Salahuddin to do all the fingerprinting. We are going to use the finger paint. So these are the finger paint. We use a few colors, okay, like the primary and secondary colors. We put it on a palette. It's a bit watery. The paint is a bit watery, and it's kids friendly. It's made in Korea. We also will be using this wet towel. So let's get started.
Dab.
Yes, dab.
Yeah. Okay, change color. Yeah. Spread. Abi take red.
Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am. Emre finger, where are you? Yay!
Boleh lah.
This is how a toddler do the fingerprinting. Shaik Emre is having fun. He's not dapping. It's okay. It's my turn. He's still fingerprinting. This is called colorful tree. This is our fingerprint family tree, and we're going to let it dry. Wow! Look at our family tree. Shaik Emre, look at our family tree. So now it's okay. So we're going to take the blue tag. Abi, take the blue tag. Okay, Emre, go and Emre paste here. Yeah. Okay. So Emre press your face. Okay, then the other one, Umi, we paste this one first. Alright, here, Shaik Emre. Okay, paste Umi photo beside Abi's photo. Okay, yes. Alright, okay, where's Emre's photo? Here, is this? Who is this cute boy? Why you look chubbier in the photo? Okay, so Emre going to place this on top. Yes, one more time, press one more time. Press one more time. Okay, like this, and then so that is all for today's video. Hope you enjoy and subscribe. Bye. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show, if you're happy and you know, you turn around. Yay! If you're happy and you know, you stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know, you stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show, if you're happy and you know, you stomp your feet.